3. Part 3 na to, guys. Ito na yan. Panda. Panda.
Nice work. Panda.
Woo!
Pick a gift, friends.
Ang tirito ako, guys. Ando doon ako sa may purple. Saan kaya kayo? Comment down below.
Comment and tell us which city you're from. We'll give
Comment
you a
down
shout out
below.
in our next video. Gift 2. Hit the like button
balo ka ba,
3
Nor?
times and comment any number. We'll
Baliw ka?
we'll fact
Di ba
check
nagbibideo ako?
the next video. We've got 2 nearly identical pictures here. Your job is to spot the 3 differences. Ready?
Ayon. Ayon. So, yan. Tapos na ako, guys. Kaya, comment down below. Oh, shit ka.
Ibahin mo niya, iba naman.
Nailed
Flag
it.
naman.
Those are the 3 differences. Can you guess this word?
Hulaan nyo yan, guys.
Alam ko yan.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Kaya nga, hot chocolate. Ilagay nyo lang siya sa down below.
Hot chocolate.
Yung mga
Comment
sagot
section.
nyo.
Ambot mo niya, ambot
Keep
mo.
it up. This one could be easy for you.
Alam nyo na yan, guys. Check.
Up.
Check. Up. Check up.
TikTok. Well done.
TikTok.
Yes.
TikTok pala yun.
Sige, gaya mo. Oh.
Bye-bye na, guys. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.